Welcome to sunny Sarasota. Today the Angels are excited to show you a charming 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo new to the market in the friendly 55 and up community of Swifton Villas. Inside, the layout is spacious and functional, with 2 comfortable bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. The open and living and dining area leads straight out to your covered lanai, where you can relax and enjoy the sights and sounds of local wildlife. The view is a tranquil space that feels like a nature preserve right outside your door. This condo is a perfect blank slate, ready for your personal touch. And of course, one of the most important features, location. You're just 3 miles to Siesta Key Beach and a short walk to Detweiler's Market and nearby shopping and dining options. Swifton Villas is an active and welcoming 55 and up community. Residents enjoy a heated pool, clubhouse, shuffleboard, bocce ball, and a full calendar of social activities, all with low monthly fees that include cable, water, sewer, and trash. This condo offers peaceful pondside living in one of Sarasota's most convenient locations. Whether you're looking for a seasonal retreat or a full-time Florida lifestyle, this one is definitely worth a look. Get in touch today for more information or a private tour. And love where you live.